Welcome to TK's Follies. So here we have opened the head of little red again to make wiring for the lights, additional lights and indicators and everything. And for this we are to make wiring here. As you can see, it is all opened at this moment. Some wires have been passed through, some are to be passed. So what I wanted to show you was this thing. So this wiring or this thing, this switchboard was not working properly. It was faulty, so we thought we should make another one. So we took the head or the cover of this switchboard and did the wiring. This red one, this is because it will be attached to a battery, so instead of these 7 wires we have 5 wires. This red one is for the input from the battery, then this white one is for the horns, these two gray ones are for indicators, and this brown one is output for the additional light, the LED light, and it will be powered by a 12-volt battery independently, and it will be attached to the left side of the headset, where usually there is only a single button for indicators. So this is the button for indicator, this is the horn, and this is the button for LED light. I hope you would like it and learn from it, and if there is anything that needs to be done, one can improvise if the parts are not available. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching DK's Follies, and goodbye.